Boy, can you turn on your video, sir?
Good morning. 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, walking around, eating, sleeping, smoking. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Versus Justin Du Bois, ticket number SP 1363085, count 1, drive with revoked license, and count 2, speeding 16 to 20 miles per hour over posted speed. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Justin Du Bois.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, P85391. I am on behalf of Mr. Du Bois.
All right. I know that I called a civil infraction that is actually in default, but Ms. Warfield, you're asking the court to set aside the default.
Yes, Your Honor.
And Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303, no objection to the defaulted ticket, the moving violation that defaulted in November of 2022.
All right, thank you, Ms. Horn.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It's my understanding that in order for the people to make an offer, Ms. Horn, you're asking that Mr. Du Bois actually take driver's improvement course?
That's correct, Your Honor.
So we're gonna adjourn this matter for January 27th at 8:35.
And Attorney Warfield then will negotiate, once we receive that driving certificate, we'll negotiate the one we just pulled out of default in addition to the drive while we vote.
Okay, so all of the other defaults will not have any action taken on them, correct?
Correct. Yeah, they're dated like 2016-15 from what I understand.
Okay.
Was there anything further?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Can I get placed in a breakout room briefly with Mr. Du Bois just so I can get his email so I can send him the links to the courses?
Mr. Du Bois, tap your screen and rejoin your room for your attorney to come in to speak with you. And he's counsel, he will be returning to breakout room number 20. Let me see, Du Bois, what did I have? Oh, 17.
Thank you.
And Ms. Warfield, whenever you get that certificate, feel free to shoot it over to my email and we'll have it before the next hearing, hopefully.
Perfect, not a problem.
Tap your screen, Mr. Du Bois, and rejoin your breakout room 17.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Werbling, is DeJuan Robinson your case?
Yes, Judge, we were ready on that one.
DeJuan Robinson.
Yep, this is it.
Thank you. This is the people versus DeJuan Robinson. Ticket number P1300971, count 1, drove a license not valid on proper license. Count 2, no insurance.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Robinson, could you please state your name for the record?
Yes, DeJuan Robinson, DeJuan LaPriest Robinson.
And Judge, he's waiving his jury trial rights, requesting a bench trial this time.
All right, it looks like there's a couple of other tickets. I don't know if these are in warrant status, but I'm just gonna call these. We're asking on ticket number P1372762, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, driver's license never acquired, and ticket number P901190, count 1, driver's license never acquired. It's my understanding that your client does wish to set these for bench trial.
That's correct, Judge.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down, sir. Do you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Mr. Robinson, we did go over that, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea. Set this for a bench trial date for January 27th at 9 o'clock.
January the 27th.
Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am. No, Your Honor.
You're all set. You're welcome. Have a good holiday, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Latoya Reeves. Who's Latoya Reeves?
Reeves.
We finished with you, Mr. Robinson. You can disconnect.
You said I can disconnect. So I'm
Yeah.
getting ready for court on the 27th,
At 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. See you then.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Reeves, Latoya Reeves, turn on your video and unmute your device. Latoya Reeves.
Can you hear me?
Yes, but turn on your video.
Okay, I don't know where to turn it on at. Oh, God.
Telephone caller, what is your last name? I mean, full name.
Robinson.
What's
Oh,
your,
here we go,
Renee
here we go.
Robinson.
what is
My,
it?
my computer had glitched, so I was trying to get back in so I won't get in trouble.
What is your name again?
Renee Robinson.
Oh, okay. Let me rename your device. Okay.
And I believe that's my client.
Ready, Mr. Griffin?
Ready, Your Honor.
On the property- oh, we can do her.
So on Miss Reeves and I guess and Miss Robinson.
Oh, okay. Did you want to reopen court, Mr. Petway, or?
Yes, I do. 36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, making noise. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the people versus Renee Robinson, ticket number SP 1230881, count 1 expired plate, CMV, and ticket count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good
Renee
morning, Your Honor.
Robinson.
So, good morning, Your Honor. Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of defendant. Ms. Robinson, state your full name for the record.
Renee Simone Robinson.
Your Honor, I spoke with Ms. Robinson. We had a discussion about the case, about her rights. She indicated to me she wants to continue her not guilty plea, waive her rights to a jury trial, and set this matter for a bench trial. Is that correct, Ms. Robinson?
Yes.
Okay.
Ms. Robinson, can you raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for January 27th at 9 o'clock. It's gonna be on Zoom. When you return, Ms. Robinson, you need to zoom in with the video.
Yes, ma'am.
So we won't do your case if you call it. So if you need help, get all the help, practice, do it now, so that when you come back, you can be prepared.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you're all set. Good luck to you. This is the people versus Latoya Reeves, ticket number SP 1312377, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not a person. And count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. It's okay, Ms. Reeves. Good morning, Your Honor. Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Ms. Reeves, please state your full name for the record.
Latoya Martine Reeves.
Your Honor, I did speak with my client. We went over, I went over her rights with her. We talked about her options. She indicated to me she wants to continue her not guilty plea, waive her right to a jury trial, and set this matter for a bench trial. Is that correct, Ms. Reeves?
Yes,
Raise your right hand, Ms. Reeves. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
yes,
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for January 27th at 9 o'clock. I do see some other misdemeanors. I'm gonna call these and set these for trial on that same date as well. Ticket number 173185554, count 1, no operator's license of person, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Mr. Griffin, you are asking the court to also set those matters for bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor. And I will say, I did not know about them, and I doubt my client knew about the outstanding warrant. So I'm glad that the court was able to catch it.
Yes, thank you. All right, so those matters are set for trial as well, Ms. Reeves.
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you and have a good holiday.
You too, Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
And Attorney Griffin, this is Tamika Horn, the prosecutor. What are the basis for all these jury trials being set on no ops, no insurance, and no registration? What's the good faith basis?
I was going to request a breakout room with you. I'm not setting any
Okay.
jury trials.
I understand.
You said they asked for a bench
We can go
trial.
in the breakout room, but I'm just trying to determine the good faith basis. Either you had it or you didn't at the time.
I understand. But
Okay,
I'm ready. I'm ready for a
trying-
breakout room when you're ready.
I'm really trying to get out. I'm still doing files, but I'm trying to get out of there so I can get on the Zoom with you, okay?
Okay, not a problem, but I'll be ready. I'm gonna talk to, because I have a few clients that have some documentation and one that needs a revised recommendation.
Okay.
Marcus Roby. It says Marcus Roby. Turn on your video and give me your name.
Marcus Roby.
Your Honor, I don't have him on my docket, so
I had a court date that was set for Monday, but I was in the hospital.
yeah.
I've been calling and trying to get on Zoom ever since that day.
Okay, hold on. Mr. Ratliff, Mr. Roby was in the hospital on his court date. Could you look up his matter, please? Oh, Rachel, okay, it says Rachel Garcia. Turn on your video and give me your name. Rachel Garcia. Rachel Garcia. Unmute your device and turn on your video.
I just looked at the doctor for Monday. SP1258.
Your device says Rachel Garcia. Would you unmute your device for it and turn on your video? Okay, you remote. Corporal McCree, did you need anything?
I just want to know, was my 2 cases called yet or?
No.
Okay, thank you. I go back to the break.
Okay.
So, Mr. Roby,
Yes.
yours is set for trial. It's up to you if you want to schedule it for another trial or if you want to get an offer and handle it today. It's up to you.
I reschedule.
Okay, so. Okay, so we'll schedule it for another bench trial for January 27th at 9.
Okay.
All right,
Would it be the same room?
yes, it'll be the same Zoom.
All right, thanks.
Okay, wishing you a speedy recovery, sir.
I appreciate it.
do I need to put that is on warrant statute? Just
Okay. Ben, do you have anything ready?
You just need to speak with Ms. Horn.
I like the room, Mr.